You must be thinking, he surely can't be changing his grills again. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be swapping them out for these carbon ones. Now the gloss black and the carbon, they are quite similar, so it's not going to look too different, but it will just tie in nicely with these little bits, and it just changes it up a little bit again. Whilst we're here, I want to do an extra little thing, and that's fit these vents again. So these are something I just fitted in another video, and I want to actually change the edge of it to be red. I think it might look quite cool against the cars sitting behind the grille. Right now you don't see them at all, so I think we should paint them red and kind of give like a little ring effect around it. I think it might look cool. Worst case, paint them black again. Let's give it a go. So I've had an issue with the grills, let me explain. So if you look on here, you can see the tab isn't fully on the way, and it's just because the thickness of the carbon fibre has stopped it from kind of getting it in all the way. So what I need to do on here is sand down just a tiny little bit off these clips, just to kind of get it to hold on all the way. On this side you can see I did a different thing, and I had to actually sand down the carbon fibre on here just to get it to fit, but you'll never see that anyway when it's on the car, and it holds on nicely now. And that is this side all sorted now. I did have to take a small bit off the carbon fibre up here, and then down here I just did it on the clips, and now it's holding on nice and secure, so let's get them back on the car. But wait, before we do that, this is a surprise little extra mod that I'm going to do, and it's going to be painting the ends of these to kind of give a ring around it just with the red. I think it's going to look quite cool, so let's try it out.